Hi, I'm Lorena Nicolai from NNC Services, and I would like to present you some of the ways that you can take advantage of current trends and how you can use that for your B2B lead generation efforts. There is so much data available that sometimes we don't even know what to do with it. This is why we've put together a program, a coaching program, the B2B Prospecting Academy, where we're going to work side by side, not just to understand the data. This is going to be a very practical, hands-on experiential learning where I'm going to guide you through generating at least 50 qualified leads this autumn or increasing your pipeline by at least 30%. And how we are going to do that is that based on our own hundreds of projects of lead generation, our own methodology for lead generation, but also on plenty of data and benchmarks and best practices available, we're going to put together a process that is customized by you, where you are accountable and where you have to do step-by-step certain things in order to get to this amazing end result. One of the things that I wanted to show you is, if you don't know this already, that there are plenty of spaces, industries, even in places where, let's say, things are going down, right? In industries where the trend is down, there's still a way to make money, there's still a way to generate leads, there's still a way to generate business. And when I say that, look at health services. Health services in general are down. I know this is surprising for you, but due to COVID, people avoid going to hospital and so on. However, telehealth is a really good place to be in right now, right? So remote assistance, remote health services, right? Look at e-commerce and online retail. I think there's no surprise that this is much higher than pre-COVID data, right? So anything that was already digitized has been accelerated, right? Look at web conferencing. Web conferencing is an amazing space and it's growing and still going strong. I was looking to recent data of the amazing growth that Zoom had business-wise, for example. And we're seeing more and more that things get back to normal. I think that for a while, in some domains, they may be 10 to 20% off from previous COVID data, but we're going to see many digitized spaces of business. So how do you position your B2B business if you used to sell directly, if you used to sell just face-to-face or through big conferences and this was your way to generate leads? What is the way right now that you are going to generate business when people avoid seeing each other, when traveling is restricted? So what are you going to do actually to normalize your business? This is something that is going to preoccupy us in the B2B Prospecting Academy. This is, again, a 8-week, very intense work program. Like, you're going to have to dedicate at least 1-2 hours a day to this program. If you are not committed to generate business and leads, please don't register. But if you want to generate business and leads, if you want to grow your business over the next quarter, I'd be happy to support you. We have already some amazing people that registered business leaders in the B2B. The networking is going to be amazing. Sharing knowledge in this group is going to be very intense, and everybody in the program is going to have plenty to gain. And again, this is a hands-on, very accountable program where we make sure that you are growing your pipeline. To register, I look forward to working with you if you are committed. Thanks. Bye.